Something sacred tripping with gang from the boss. 745, white on white, that's real raw. I keep them wild, I keep them long, I keep them fat. I keep them coming back, we keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution, I'm like Atlantic. I got the pretty things flying across the Atlantic. I know Pablo, Noriega, the real Noriega. He don't see 100 papers. I ain't paying player, we buy the whole thing. See, most of our homies hustle, they still do their thing. I move back, I'm running right. I'm on the trailer, show you what I'm running like. When they snatch black, I cry for 100 nights. He got 100 bodies, serving 100 bodies. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, we never steal cars, but we hard. Women real hard, women real hard. I call the charge, women real hard, women real hard. Ain't got no funny stuff, still flipping them chickens. I'm on my money stuff, still whipping them BNCs. Major league, who catching because I'm bitching. Most of them say go just snitching because we bitch. I beat them slippers and shredding up all my chickens. They tryna hold on Pacific to be specific. Trump seals, you know it's fact, we hold it sack. Something in your own rack, yeah, I'm running to the back.